Ladies and gentlemen, imagine this, a machine that defies the ordinary, a marvel of engineering that merges art, science, and sheer audacity into one extraordinary creation. I'm talking about a hypercar, a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads but stops traffic, ignites imaginations, and redefines what's possible. A hypercar isn't just about speed or luxury, it's about the pursuit of perfection, the relentless drive to exceed limits, and the embodiment of dreams turned into reality. But here's the truth, owning a hypercar is not for the faint of heart. It's not just a purchase, it's a proclamation. It's a statement that you have dared to dream bigger, worked harder, and achieved more than most people could even imagine. And today, I'm here to tell you that this dream, as audacious as it may seem, is within your reach. But it requires something extraordinary from you. It requires you to become the best version of yourself, to push past every limit, and to commit to a life of excellence. Let's start by addressing the obvious. A hypercar is not a necessity. It's not something you buy because you need it, it's something you earn because you've chosen to demand the best from yourself and your life. It's a reward, a symbol, and a reminder of what's possible when you refuse to settle for anything less than greatness. Now, let's talk about what it takes to get there. Because the road to owning a hypercar isn't paved with shortcuts or easy wins. It's a journey that requires vision, strategy, discipline, and relentless action. Step 1. Dream bigger than ever before. The first step to owning a hypercar is daring to dream on a scale that most people wouldn't even consider. This isn't just about wanting a car, it's about redefining what you believe is possible for your life. When you picture yourself behind the wheel of a hypercar, you're not just visualizing a moment, you're setting a standard. You're telling yourself that you're capable of achieving something extraordinary, something that few people ever will. Write down the details of your dream car. What make and model is it? What's its top speed? What does it feel like to grip the steering wheel, to hear the engine roar, to see the world blur past as you accelerate? Be specific. Make it real in your mind. This isn't just daydreaming, it's the foundation of your journey. Step 2. Create a vision for your life. Owning a hypercar isn't just about the car itself, it's about the life you need to build to make it possible. What kind of career, business, or investments will enable you to afford such a vehicle? What level of financial freedom do you need to achieve? Start thinking about the bigger picture. A hypercar is a milestone, but the journey to get there will elevate every aspect of your life. This is where you need to set bold, audacious goals. What do you want to achieve in the next year? The next 5 years? The next decade? Break those goals down into actionable steps and commit to making progress every single day. Remember, success is not an accident, it's the result of consistent effort, strategic planning, and unwavering determination. Step 3. Master your finances. Let's get practical. Owning a hypercar requires significant financial resources, and that means you need to become a master of money. Start by understanding your current financial situation. How much are you earning? How much are you spending? What's your net worth? Where can you cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward your goals? Next, focus on increasing your income. This might mean pursuing promotions, starting a business, investing in assets, or developing high-value skills that command higher pay. The more streams of income you can create, the faster you'll be able to build the wealth required to own a hypercar. And don't forget about investing. Put your money to work for you. Learn about stocks, real estate, and other opportunities that can grow your wealth over time. The goal is to create financial stability and abundance, so that when the time comes to buy your dream car, you can do so without hesitation. Step 4. Develop an unstoppable work ethic. There's no way around it. Achieving something as extraordinary as owning a hypercar requires extraordinary effort. You need to be willing to outwork, outlearn, and outlast everyone else. This means putting in the hours, staying focused on your goals, and refusing to let setbacks or failures deter you. But hard work alone isn't enough. You also need to work smart. Focus on high-impact activities that move the needle. Prioritize tasks that generate the greatest results and eliminate distractions that waste your time and energy. Remember, every moment you spend working toward your goals brings you one step closer to that hypercar. Step 5. Cultivate a winning mindset. Your mindset is your greatest asset. If you want to achieve greatness, you need to think like someone who's already there. This means adopting a mindset of abundance, resilience, and unwavering belief in yourself. Successful people don't see obstacles as roadblocks, they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. They don't dwell on failures, they use them as stepping stones to success. And they don't let fear or doubt hold them back, they take action despite those feelings. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and consume content that fuels your ambition. The more you immerse yourself in a culture of success, the more you'll start to embody it. Step 6, embrace sacrifice. Let's be real, the journey to owning a hypercar will require sacrifices. You might need to delay gratification, cut back on luxuries, or say no to opportunities that don't align with your goals. But remember, every sacrifice you make today is an investment in your future. Think of it this way: would you rather settle for temporary comfort or strive for lasting greatness? The choice is yours. And when you finally achieve your goal, every sacrifice will have been worth it. Step 7, take consistent action. Dreams don't work unless you do. Consistent action is the key to turning your vision into reality. This means showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It means staying disciplined, focused, and committed to your goals, no matter what challenges come your way. Remember, progress is often slow and incremental. But as long as you keep moving forward, you're getting closer to your dream. Trust the process and stay the course. Step 8, celebrate the journey. While the hypercar is the ultimate goal, don't forget to celebrate the milestones along the way. Every small win, every step forward, and every lesson learned is a reason to be proud. The journey itself is where the real growth happens. By the time you achieve your goal, you won't just have a hypercar, you'll have become the kind of person who earns and deserves it. The moment of triumph. Now, let's fast forward to the moment you've been working toward. You walk into the showroom, and there it is, your hypercar, gleaming under the lights. You've earned this. You've worked for it, sacrificed for it, and refused to give up. As you take the keys and slide into the driver's seat, you're not just experiencing the thrill of owning a hypercar, you're living proof that dreams can become reality. Ladies and gentlemen, the road to owning a hypercar is not easy, but it is possible. It's a journey that will test you, challenge you, and transform you. But if you're willing to dream big, work hard, and stay committed, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So, what are you waiting for? The hypercar of your dreams is out there, waiting for you to claim it. The only question is, will you rise to the challenge? The time to start is now. The journey begins today. And the destination? Pure excellence. Let's go.